Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And for you gamers out there, for all of you using a GPU from AMD, and specifically the Radeon RX 6000, 7000, there is a update for you in the drivers. So this is good for the Radeon RX 6000, 7000 series GPUs. Fixes quite a few bugs that people have been having, including performance issues and a high power usage bug that apparently still remains here, but the performance is better. And in the footnotes, it does say that it's fixing quite a lot of little things within that the other drivers actually didn't fix, basically. So Windows 11 22H2, one of the error message that it fixes is delayed write fail with the Adrenaline edition. May fail to launch in here with an error message. Some problems with Steam and a lot of games with stuttering, crashing, and all sorts of problems. Missing textures when you're actually playing games. Flickering textures, stuff like that. So it seems that there's a lot of fixes for different games and different and some performance issues in here. So I see a lot of people complaining about performance issues in their games with AMD, but sometimes I wonder if they have AMD graphics GPUs possibly. So anyways, I'll share the link to this page. This is the AMD software Adrenaline edition 23.2.1 release notes, and in here you have all the details, the fixed issues, the known issues, and all of that, including the package download that you can actually get. So the link to this is in the description below. If you've got especially the Radeon RX 6000, 7000 GPUs, maybe this is going to fix some of the problems that you've been having with AMD devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.